Hey everyone, in this video I just wanted to talk real quick about Exitus Elite, why I love it. It's a 10-year business done right. We have a terrific owner in Paul Stevenson. He cares about the business, he has a vision for the future of the business, and I have absolutely no fear of bringing anyone into this business. In this business we make instant commissions to any payment processor that you want to use. We can make between $100 to $2,000 instant commissions in this business. And the products themselves have training in there that can help you. Now, I've been in other businesses over the years, some really bad, others that were decent, but nothing matches Exitus Elite in its quality and its longevity. And I have absolutely no fear bringing anyone into this. I don't think I have ever seen a business that's been run this well in affiliate marketing. And I don't have to worry about the business shutting down. Like I said, Paul Stevenson has a vision for the future of his company, and it's just an all-around great business. So, in Exitus Elite, we can make between $100 to $2,000 instant commissions, and I came in at the G1000, and what happened is, at the G1000 level, when I came into it, all the lower products unlocked for me at no extra cost, so I'm qualified at all those levels, and I can make all the commissions right away from those product levels. Now, in Exitus Elite, it's a one-up compensation plan. So what that means is, at whatever product level you're at, your first commission sale is your qualifying sale. So that gets passed up to your sponsor. So once you make your qualifying sale, all of your other commissions are yours from then on at that product level. But when all those lower products unlocked for me, I was already qualified and I could already start making commissions at that level. So the cool thing about this compensation plan is when your team starts building their teams, they're also going to pass up their first commission sales at whatever levels they come in at. So you'll be making your regular commissions at all the products that you're qualified at, plus the pass-up commissions that you are also making. Now, another way you can make money in this business is, let's say you came in at the G100. You're now qualified at that level, but somebody comes through your system and says they want to make those $1,000 commissions. So they come in at, let's say, the G1000 like I did. What's going to happen is you're still going to make your $100 commission, but the remaining $900 that's left over of that commission is going to get passed upline to me because I'm qualified at that product level. Now, that's why I love this business, because there's more ways than one to make money in this business. Now, obviously, there's no such thing as a get-rich-quick opportunity. Every business requires work and dedication, and you get training in the products that we sell, and you'll also get some additional team bonus training for myself as well. But Exitus Elite is a really, really good opportunity, and I absolutely love it. I've been in it for 2 years now. I'm making $500 days. I've made $1,000 days in this business. And even the lowest commission you can make in this business is $100. So you don't have to bring in hundreds and hundreds of people in order to start making good money to life-changing money in this business. Now, yeah, I think that's all I want to say. So I really love this business, and I'm really looking forward to continuing to promote this business and see more and more people find success. As long as you're willing to put in some work, some dedication, and getting seen and heard in your business, you can make some good money in this business. And I have absolutely no fear of bringing anyone into Exitus Elite. So I think that's all I'm going to say in this business. I'm sorry, in this video, not this business. I'm unscripted, guys, so all my videos I'm unscripted. So I may make mistakes in my videos. But all I have to say is Exitus Elite is a really good quality affiliate business that has stood the test of time. And 10 years is a very good run for an affiliate business like this. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And also, all my contact information is in the description below, and including the link to join Exitus Elite. And I'm really excited for this opportunity, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the future. Bye.